Hi, my name is Taylor Dorimo, and I am currently a junior at Hawkins School in Gates Mills, Ohio. For my project, I wanted to focus on the alarmingly high infant mortality rates in the county where I live, Cuyahoga County. Cuyahoga County has had one of the highest infant mortality rates in the country for decades. In 2020, even though the rates had reduced somewhat, Cuyahoga County still had an infant mortality rate of 7.57 deaths per 1,000 live births, while the national average is 5.6 deaths per 1,000 live births. This is especially concerning considering that Cuyahoga County, specifically Cleveland, is known to have some of the best hospitals and healthcare systems in the world, like Cleveland Clinic and university hospitals. My project will explore some of the reasons why this issue exists, as well as some possible solutions to help fix this problem. One important factor I will consider is racial disparity. While only 29% of the county's population is Black, 73% of the infants who died in 2020 were Black. Some of the solutions I will propose include closing the extreme gap in healthcare quality and access between the urban areas and the suburban areas of my county, reducing the racial disparities, implementing more education about prenatal health and infant care to expecting parents, and finding ways to make prenatal and postnatal care more widely accessible to the urban areas where need is greatest, along with much more. My beautiful question is, how can Cuyahoga County, home to some of the best hospitals in the world, reduce its extremely high infant mortality rates? Thank you.